Students, today we are going to discuss about telescopic shock absorber. You know that a shock absorber is a device used to damp out the vibrations of suspension springs to a comfortable level. That means shock absorber is used to eliminate or reduce the vibrations of suspension system. Damp out means eliminate or reduce the vibrations. We know that during working, suspension springs will vibrate. If the vibration continues throughout a long time, it will be very discomfort for passengers or goods. So the vibrations should stop as early as possible. So a shock absorber is always used along with a suspension spring. The function of shock absorber is to reduce or eliminate the vibrations of suspension springs during its working. Don't confuse about the function of a shock absorber. It is not used to absorb the shock. The road shock is absorbed by the suspension springs only. The vibrations are absorbing the shock absorber. That means shock absorber only damp out the vibrations of suspension springs. Telescopic shock absorbers are widely used in automobiles. The simple layout of 2D layout of shock absorber is shown in the figure. Let us see the construction details or components of telescopic shock absorber system. You can refer the three-dimensional picture as shown in the figure. The various components are a inner tube and outer tube. These are the main components of telescopic shock absorber. A inner tube and an outer tube. Shock absorber is attached to the vehicle in such a way that the top portion of the shock absorber will connect to the frame and the bottom portion of the shock absorber will connect to the suspension spring or suspension system. For these mountings, an A-shaped structure is provided on both ends of the shock absorber. Next component is piston rod. Piston rod has a piston which can move inside the inner tube, and also the inner tube is filled with some viscous fluid. Viscous fluid means some oil, and the outer tube also filled with the same viscous fluid but not in full condition, in partial condition. Also, in the piston there is a two-way valve. That means the fluid from top and bottom of the inner tube can pass above or below to the piston. This movement is controlled by the pressure of the fluid inside the inner tube. If the pressure of the oil above the piston is high, the oil will travel from bottom portion to the bottom portion, and vice versa. And another one valve is there in the bottommost position of the inner tube, which connects the inner tube and outer tube. It is also a two-way valve. It is also works on the principle of pressure difference. These are the main components of telescopic shock absorber. Once more, a top eye and a bottom eye for connecting the shock absorber to the vehicle. Top portion will be connected to the frame, bottom portion will be connected to the suspension spring or suspension system. And there are two tubes or cylinders, one inner tube and outer tube. Both the tubes are filled with oil, and inside the inner tube one piston will move up and down according to the motion of wheel. These are the constructional details of telescopic shock absorber.